The OCTONAUTS Terra Gup 1 Adventure Pack delivers a sturdy, beetle-inspired rescue vehicle and Dashi figure that feel well-made for regular playtime missions. The spring-like horn mechanism is surprisingly satisfying to trigger, letting children physically knock aside pretend obstacles and reenact show moments in a hands-on way. Articulation on the 3-inch Dashi figure is good enough for posing in the cockpit or standing beside the vehicle, which helps kids stage more varied scenes. Including the kangaroo figure and a mission card gives children a clear story hook, so they are not just pushing a vehicle around, but actually acting out a rescue scenario. The Terra Gup one handles well on carpets and hard floors, thanks to its chunky beetle legs, encouraging kids to drive it across different pretend terrains. Compatibility with other Octonauts playsets and vehicles means this set works nicely as a starter piece or as an expansion to an existing collection.